My child, why are you crying?
My favorite band went from metal to hard rock.
Bro, first time? I mean, isn't that the same thing?
Bro, why you crying, bro?
His favorite band went from one genre to another. That's more or less the same thing.
First time?
Crikey, why is this kid crying, mate?
His favorite band changed genres.
Crikey, on every song?
No, every album.
Bruh. Bugger. First time? Hubba hubba, I'm from British England's my city, but I tell you what's wrong with this fellow. Crikey, mate, his favorite band changed styles. Kangaroo.
First time?
Greetings everyone. What is wrong with this motherfucker? His favorite band changed style.
First time?